And with all of our beautiful conditions, now is the time when we talk about how terrible the weather is elsewhere in the country.
I know. Unfortunately, we're talking about flooding, which is not good because a lot of people get their cars stuck in it. It damages houses. So people out near Minneapolis are actually filling sandbags for today. You can check out the video here. They're under a flood warning until around 7 a.m. because they have seen record-breaking rainfall. In 2 days, they have seen up to 6 inches just outside of the big city there. It does look like the flooding should subside by the time they get to tomorrow, the first day of summer, which, by the way, is at 3:51 in the morning is when we see that summer solstice. Temperatures for us, though, today were simply magnificent, very warm, 87 degrees out toward Escondido, exactly what I had forecasted for inland locations for you. Currently, we're dealing with just a few clouds dotting the sky. Comfortable night for us at around 67 degrees. Winds are fairly calm. Earlier today, though, they did gust up to around 18 miles per hour. Pretty much we're going to see them just around 10 miles per hour for the coast and inland areas, but getting a little bit stronger out over toward the mountain and desert communities where we could see a little bit windy, maybe around 5 p.m. up to around 20 miles per hour. What we have is sort of a collision happening in the upper levels of the atmosphere. You see this higher pressure down at the surface. We're also dealing with this trough, the dip in the jet stream. So that's causing our winds to come more from west to east, and high pressure is making it move from east to west. Nonetheless, high pressure is going to lose. So that's where we're going to get a few of those thin clouds to move on in. Temperatures may drop about a degree or so for tomorrow. So with the clouds, we're going to see a little bit of the fog in the marine layer by 7 a.m. It's still just hugging the coastline, not getting far inland at all thanks to that high pressure up above. Del Mar out of the way out over toward Coronado and even into maybe skirting Chula Vista. We'll see some of the haze until around 9 a.m. and then you get to see the sunshine. Temperatures close to seasonal for you. Once we head on in through, though, around Saturday and into Sunday, you'll notice the clouds begin to pull back in earlier at around 7 p.m. This time staying a little bit longer as well. Not until 11 a.m. do they then begin to clear the coastline. In Carlsbad and Encinitas, you still may linger under some of those clouds a little bit longer for you. Heading out to the waters, doing a little bit of surfing. You can enjoy some of the sunshine later in the day. Fair conditions, your swell out of the south-southwest, 2 to 3 feet. Notice your high tide coming in just around 6 p.m., getting just under 6 feet. A water temperature there, 67 to 70 degrees. After you do some surfing, you're going to the baseball game, right? 68 degrees for you by first pitch at 7:10 as the Padres take on the Dodgers. We are going to see those clouds increasing, though, over the evening hours. So you may not see a beautiful view of the sunset, which happens at 8 o'clock. 7-day forecast for you. 72 degrees on Saturday, some morning fog, staying hazy Sunday morning as well, 72 degrees then. Pretty much mostly sunny skies until probably about Thursday. And then 85 degrees, thin clouds moving up above, but staying comfortable around 84 degrees on into your Sunday. The mountains, you're going to see your winds pick up later on into the day. Temperatures 86 degrees, jumping slightly on Tuesday to 89. The desert's 106 degrees, dealing with fairly windy afternoon, and the winds increase as you head on in through about Sunday. Let's look at your 7-day forecast, guys. Back to you.
Wow, a perfect weekend again. Thank
Two
you,
thumbs
Sabrina.
up.